What's up, YouTube Auditorium? It's Buddy from 2 Alpha Tools, and hope everybody's having a great day because I'm having a great day, and you're about to find out why. I love my wife. I love tools. I was talking to her about my new office that I wanted to get a radio for, and she hooked me up with a super cool radio. Check this out. Now, what we have here is the Flex radio. This is the job site radio. And I've been telling her that I know I've got all my Milwaukee stuff, but I do like the Flex lineup. They're looking like their tools are going to be great, doing really good. And I told her that if I got into another lineup, it would probably be, something like Flex or Cobalt XTR. And she knew I liked it. I talked about it a lot. So she got me that radio. And I got the 1/4-inch hex impact driver kit. This is the starter kit, about 1,800 inch-pounds. That's what it's rated at. Pretty much the same thing as my Gen 3 Milwaukee. But at least with that kit, I will have the 2 batteries plus the charger. This is going to stay in the office unless we go camping. And then we'll be able to use this at the campsite, wherever we go. Just super, super cool. Gotta love that woman. Now, before we get into it, I want to take a moment to explain how now I'm in the Flex lineup. So my wife was in the store, and they still had their ad that had ended on February 1st. Now, the ad was, if you buy select items, which one of them being this 1/4-inch hex impact driver kit, then you can get other items for free. One of the other items being that job site radio. Now, I told her that I wanted a job site radio, and I did, like the Flex. I'd like to try it out. So whenever she was in the store, she saw that there was the sign that was still up, and it said, buy this, get this. So what we do is we go and we call the store clerk over. We're like, hey, can we go ahead and grab one of these? And then grab that for free like your sign says? He's like, sure. So we go up to the counter, and he said once you ring it up, then it should take the other one off. We ring it up, it doesn't come off. So we bring it up to the store clerk, and he goes back, he grabs the sign, and he was like, oh man, that actually ended on February 1st. But because they left their sign up, we still got the deal. Okay, we paid 1 penny for the job site radio. Now, every store might not be like that one, but it's their mistake. They should honor it. And that's the way that this store felt, and thankfully they did. Now, like I said, this one is the starter 1/4-inch hex impact. Now they have the quick disconnect one out. It's got the little quick disconnect right here. That one's way more powerful than this one. I wanted the radio. I wanted a job site radio. I'm not complaining because I got the Flex, or at least started into the Flex lineup. So let's open this up. Let's see what all this comes with. Cue angelic music. Da, da, da. Guys, I don't know what to tell you. I love tools. No matter which tools it is. First impressions, do like the bag. With the zipper. Definitely going to be using that. Instructions, don't need them. Sticker, need. We have here 2 flex 24 volts. There we go. 2.5 amp hour 18650s, probably. More than likely. Not the power stack versions. But nonetheless, we'll see how they hold up. Might do some update in the shop and then just run the flex radio the whole time. See how long those things will go on. Really giant battery charger here. One heck of a charger. Ooh, and it's a fast charger. It's better than a slow charger. What do we have here? Oh, the clips and some bittage. The clips and some bits that I'll probably lose. No, I got the bit holders. Definitely not going to lose them. Definitely going to lose them still. Well, just can you, the paper and, okay. Like I said, this one is the starter kit. 1,800 inches poundage. Like the trigger, digging that with the lock, not excessive. With the collet. Oh, so it's similar to the Milwaukee. Now this one is basically Chervon's answer to Milwaukee, even though it appears that the Cobalt XTR lineup probably has the same internals possibly as this one. Their new one, definitely, from doing online research, you know, doing the Lewis and Clark, and that new one just blows everything else out the water. Mind out of the gutter, folks. So here's what we got with the Hex Impact. We got our 2.5 amp hour 18650 batteries. We got our belt clips with the bits, fast charger, and our impact. Okay, not too much to see here on the unboxing, but now we got the flex radio out. And there she is. We got our mode setting. Got a bass boost, so you know we can really ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom out of this sucker. USB, not a Type-C. That's fine. Got our auxiliary and some headphones, you know, if you're still that one guy that's rocking headphones, non-Bluetooth type. We got our antenna. Oh, we are definitely picking up AM with that thing. This piece. Oh, nice. This guy. Oh yeah, definitely breaking that. But that's where the battery's gonna go in. We got anything special on the side? Nothing too special on the side. Good thing is it is waterproof, and you can connect it via 110, which the cord's going to be inside there. So yeah, best thing is waterproof. You got your radio presets, AM, FM, and it is Bluetooth enabled. It's the job site radio, just like I was talking about. I love it. It's going to be a great addition to the office. Those, not going to complain about getting batteries along with it. So that's all we got for today. Hope everybody has a great day. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye for now.